Today we're going to combine two of my favorite things in the world, chicken Alfredo and garlic bread. This can be used as an appetizer or a meal by itself. Let me show you how to make it. We're going to start off by butterflying 2 chicken breasts and getting it in a bowl with some olive oil, lemon juice, Cajun seasoning, and paprika. While that marinates, we're going to preheat our grill to medium-high heat. I'm going to be using my Charbroil Pro Series 3-burner gas grill. While that chicken cooks, we're going to get our sauce going. We're going to melt some butter and saute some garlic with some more Cajun seasoning and lemon juice. After about a minute, we're going to add in some heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. Turn off the heat and we're going to melt in some Parmesan cheese. While that sauce thickens up, we're going to finish cooking our chicken. Once it's done, get it removed from the grill. We're going to slice a loaf of French bread in half and get the inner part removed. This is going to create a pocket for our garlic butter, mozzarella cheese, Alfredo sauce, chicken, and more mozzarella. We're going to get that garlic bread back on the top rack of the grill and cook over low heat until all that cheese is melted and the bread is nice and toasty. We're going to garnish with some fresh parsley, cut into slices, and it's on the table. Enjoy.